Hi, this is Scott from GoGo. If you're a maker looking to add an eco-friendly product to your lineup, then I've got something special just for you. Our new online course will show you how to make natural cleaning tablets. These little tablets are a game changer. Made with eco-friendly ingredients, they clean everything from sinks, toilets, and tubs to stainless steel pots and pans and even grills. With this course, you'll gain an understanding of the ingredients and their roles in the final product. You'll get the full formula in percentages for seamless scalability to any batch size. Plus, enjoy a companion video providing a visual walkthrough, troubleshooting guidance, and expert tips for achieving perfection with every tablet. With the bath bomb press and the mini tablet mold, making these has never been easier. For a limited time, you can purchase this course at $10 off the regular price. Let me help you expand your product line and your profit. Go to sopagogo.com and order your course today.